Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Farms and Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics too. So let's discuss today about the experiment number 4 from pharmaceutics 2, which is classification of dosage forms and coding of experiments based on dosage forms. So first of all, let's discuss in detail about the classification of dosage form. First of all, we must know the dosage forms are get classified according to two parameters. First of all, first classification is according to its physical state of matter, that is solid, liquid, semi-solid, gaseous. And second classification is based on the route of administration, according to route of administration of the drugs. So that is about the classification of dosage form. So let's discuss about especially about the liquid dosage forms. Classification of liquid dosage form is seen here in that A, which is internal, and B, which is external. Also see about the liquid dosage forms which is of internal, that is monophasic and biphasic. In monophasic there is a simple mixture, syrup, tincture, elixir, linctusses, which are recognized as IA1, while biphasic, which are diffusible mixtures, indiffusible mixtures, emulsion, suspension, which is recognized as IA2. And second class of the liquid dosage form is the external one. In that again it is divided into two categories, monophasic and biphasic. In case of monophasic, eardrops, nasal drops, gargles, mouthwash, throat paints, inhalations, liniments, lotions, ophthalmic preparation, enemas, douches, that is IB3. And biphasic, in case of external biphasic dosage form, which is inhalations, liniments, lotions, which is recognized as IB4. So second class, that is a semi-solid dosage form, which for external use, ointments, creams, paste, jellies, poultices, suppositories and pessaries. Solid dosage forms are internal and external types. In internal, that is powder, and second one, capsules, molded tablets, effervescent granules. In case of powder, that is divided one and bulk one. Next, external solid dosage form is again having powders and tablets. In case of powder, there is dusting powders, insufflations, douches, douche powder and dentifrices. And external, in case of that fourth type, that is the tablets. So the coding of experiments on the basis of classification of dosage forms. Each experiment has been given along with the serial number, a code number depending upon the above classification. So the student can distinguish and identify the dosage form. For an example, simple mixture containing ferric ammonium citrate is for the internal use, liquid preparation, and is monophasic, so it has code number IA1. As we seen, there is the liquid formulation which is monophasic, for that the code is IA1. For I for liquid dosage form, A for internal use and 1 for monophasic. So thank you.